Welcome back, tool enthusiasts, to the ultimate showcase of innovation and craftsmanship. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of cool hand tools for the year 2023. Get ready to be amazed by the top 14 unique hand tools that will revolutionize the way you approach DIY projects, repairs, and more. So, without further ado, let's jump right in.
The Walensee Rotary Cultivator tool is a versatile and innovative solution for gardening enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Priced at just $39.99, this tool offers incredible value for its exceptional features. Designed to make gardening tasks easier and more efficient, the Walensee Rotary Cultivator tool comes equipped with a stainless steel pole that ensures durability and longevity. Its adjustable design allows you to customize the length according to your preferences, making it comfortable to use for individuals of various heights. One of the standout features of this tool is its 2-in-1 functionality. It serves as both a garden weeder and a crumbler soil cultivator, making it a multi-purpose tool that can handle various tasks with ease. The weeding knife attachment is perfect for removing unwanted weeds, while the crumbler soil cultivator helps to break up compacted soil, preparing it for planting or reseeding grass. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the Walensee Rotary Cultivator tool offers a user-friendly experience. It simplifies the process of soil mixing, allowing you to create an optimal environment for healthy plant growth. Moreover, its weeding knife attachment ensures that your garden stays weed-free and well-maintained. The Tomar Stubby Ratchet Set is an essential tool set for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Priced at $28.43, it includes a 1/4-inch, 3/8-inch, and 1/2-inch drive ratchet handle wrenches with a 72-tooth quick-release reversible feature. Its compact design and quick-release mechanism make it perfect for tight spaces and easy socket changes. Upgrade your toolkit with this versatile and affordable ratchet set for efficient and precise work. The Kaiweets Automatic Wire Stripper and Wire Cutter is an essential tool for electrical work, priced at $18.99. It offers 3-in-1 functionality, stripping and cutting 8 to 18 AWG solid and stranded wires, plus crimping 10 to 22 AWG wires. Its adjustable design ensures precision without damaging wires. A budget-friendly, versatile solution for streamlined electrical projects. The MaxPower 12-inch offset hex wrench is available at $22.99, offering versatility for hexagonal bolts. With an adjustable CRMO hook jaw and an offset design, it easily handles bolts from 1 1/8 inch to 2 5/8 inch capacity. Its robust construction ensures efficient bolt tasks for a variety of projects. A valuable addition for professionals and DIYers alike. The Lervesi 20-piece flex head ratchet wrenches set is priced at $32.99, providing a versatile toolkit with sizes from 8mm to 19mm. Its flex head design allows for maneuverability in tight spaces. Complete with a case, this set offers both metric and SAE reversible wrenches, catering to a range of needs. An affordable and comprehensive solution for professionals and DIYers. The Aries 15-piece damaged bolt extractor socket set is priced at $88.92, offering a comprehensive solution for stubborn bolts. With impact-grade sockets in both a 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drives, it covers SAE and metric sizes. The set includes a turbo socket for efficient extraction. A valuable investment for effortless bolt removal, ideal for professionals and DIYers. The DeCapro 126-piece power tool combo kits include an 8-volt cordless drill and are priced at $59.99. This comprehensive kit is designed for professional household tasks, offering a 10mm 3/8-inch keyless chuck and a variety of tools for garden, office, and house repair. An affordable solution for versatile DIY projects and repairs. The drill dock is priced at $34.95 and revolutionizes tool organization. It features a fixed mount and a side clip accessory for easy transitioning between locations. Designed to fit nearly any drill or driver, it keeps your tools organized and efficient. The heavy-duty side magnet ensures quick access to essential bits and driver tips, enhancing productivity and preventing loss. Upgrade your workspace with the Drill Dock Smart Organization solution. The Klein Tools 3-in-1 Impact Flip Socket and Bit Holder is a versatile tool priced at $7.99, designed to enhance your efficiency and flexibility in various applications. With its 3-in-1 impact flip socket feature, you can swiftly switch between drive sizes, making adjustments seamless and hassle-free. This multi-function flip socket includes hex driver sizes, 5/16 inch, a 1/4 inch shallow driver, and a 1/4 inch deep screwdriver bit holder. Designed to handle impact tasks, the socket is impact rated and equipped with a 1/4 inch quick connect adapter for easy use on an impact driver. The inclusion of a powerful rare earth magnet ensures secure holding of bits and hex head fasteners, even in demanding environments. The 3-inch, 8 cm length shaft of the socket also fits a Klein Tools CAT number 32308 driver handle, adding to its versatility. Precision machined and heat-treated, this tool is built to withstand the test of time, ensuring a long life of reliable performance. The Klein Tools 3-in-1 Impact Flip Socket and Bit Holder is an ideal solution for various applications, including tight spaces and low clearance areas. The WorkPro Folding Utility Knife Set is priced at $19.99 and offers a quick change blade mechanism, a backlock safety feature, and stainless steel construction. Its double aluminum curved handle ensures comfort, and the unique design enhances safety. A valuable addition for swift and secure cutting tasks, suitable for both professionals and DIYers. The Neosmuk Fishing Magnet is priced at $11.98, featuring a 330-pound strong magnet with a 2-inch size. Its high-power neodymium technology and handle make it perfect for lifting, tagging, and pickup tasks. A versatile and cost-effective tool for professionals and DIYers alike. The AFA Tooling Deburring Tool is a versatile solution priced at $14.99, designed to excel in various applications with its exceptional features. This tool comes with 10 extra high-speed steel blades, ensuring durability and extended use. Its functionality extends to metal, resin, PVC, and 3D printed plastic edges. Whether you're working with copper, PVC pipes, 3D printing projects, resin art, or metalwork, this tool proves its versatility. The Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit, priced at $13.49. It offers essential features that enhance your woodworking experience. Crafted with CRV steel, the beveled edge blade of these chisels ensures durability and sharpness, delivering precise and clean cuts. The inclusion of a high-impact PVC handle adds to their longevity, making them suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks. The SpecOps Tools 9.5-inch trim bar is a versatile tool available at $19.99, designed to excel in various tasks with its unique features. Featuring a sharp beveled edge, this trim bar is ideal for precise scraping of paint, caulk, or putty even in tight spaces. Its 90-degree strike surface end with a sharp edge allows for efficient siding nail removal or prying between finish work. The tool is equipped with one onboard nail puller and 2 siding nail pullers, providing convenient and efficient nail removal with a simple tap of a hammer. The integrated ruler ensures quick and accurate measurements, streamlining your projects. Crafted from durable high-carbon steel, the trim bar boasts excellent resilience against bending and snapping over time. Additionally, an exclusive built-in bottle opener adds a touch of convenience and instant gratification to your toolbox. With a drop-tested durability of 100 foot, the Spec Ops Tools trim bar is engineered to withstand the challenges of demanding job sites. Priced at $19.99, this tool offers excellent value for its durability, functionality, and added features. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, the Spec Ops Tools trim bar is a reliable companion that excels in a range of tasks, making it an essential addition to your toolkit.